Hi, it's me, Miss Bianca. I am recording a voiceover because there are a few things I was missing while recording this intro, so I apologize if this is confusing. But today, I just want to say thank you for joining me. We're going to be doing a craft. We'll be making our own stamps using some clay, some ink, and some hopefully household materials that you should be able to find. But the point is to just kind of have fun, be creative, and take the liberty to make it whatever you want. You don't have to just follow my rules. The materials that I'll be using today are clay, sculpted clay. I'll be using some ink. This is black ink, but if you have any that's kid-friendly, that's best. And something that's colorful, it does not have to be black. It can be any color. I have a paper towel nearby because it could get a little messy. And then just some materials like a stick so I can roll out the clay, a straw to make some circles. You'll see what I'm talking about later. A Play-Doh knife or a butter knife, plastic butter knife. If you have one for Play-Doh, that is ideal for the little kids to play with. And a paintbrush. I'll be using the other side of it. Oh, also, paper. All right, let's get started, shall we? So I have my clay, and what I'm gonna do is cut it in a few sections. So I'm cutting it like this because now we have 3 surfaces that we can add patterns to make our own stamps. So I'm gonna take a straw for my first one and just add some circles. You can use anything that you have at home to make a pattern. There's my first pattern. For this one, I have kind of a curve, like a slant here, so I'm gonna use this to make some lines. There are some lines. And I think I want to make a spiral here. Okay, I have circles, lines, and a spiral. And we have 3 other sides that we can use. I already used this side earlier, but there's potential for 6 stamps that you can make if you are able to get a clay or Play-Doh in this shape, and you can cut it into 3 different sections. But for now, we'll just stick to our 3. So I'm gonna get a new piece of paper. Okay. So I've got my ink. Got my clay stamp. I'm going to dip it. I'm going to stamp. Whoa. I'm just gonna cover the paper. Let me try the lines one out. Whoa. And finally, the spiral. Something cool about making art like this is that you can make this into a card that you mail to someone. Maybe there's someone that you miss that you haven't been able to see in a really long time. This is a great opportunity to make this your own art for a card that you can mail to a loved one, or to a friend, or to anyone that you miss. Or it doesn't even have to be something you mail, but it could just be like a gift for someone. You can get watercolors or markers or crayons and color in the white parts. In fact, I think I'm gonna do that. This is what it's looking like so far. So, what I'm gonna do is kind of add some line art. I realize that this could be a bit advanced for playgroups, but it's really for anyone at any age. This is my artistic touch. Now what I'm going to do is fold it in half. And now I have a cool card and I can write a message in there. This card could say, "I miss you." All right, everyone. Thank you for joining me on this art project. I hope you're able to try it out, and I hope that you enjoy the process of making it. All right. Have fun. See you next time.